Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Pika Art. So if you also want to use Pika Art, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in pika.art, press enter. You can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Pika Art. Make sure you're logged into your account. Make sure to create an account for yourself. Creating an account in Pika Art is very simple. You can see over here, I'm already logged into my account. Right now, you're in the Explore interface. From here, you'll be able to explore the videos created by others. You can also see your videos. Simply click on the option My Library. Now all your projects will be displayed over here. You can also upgrade to Pro if you want. Simply click on the option Upgrade that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to pick your plan. You can see the plans over here. If you pick a plan, you'll be able to enjoy several benefits. You can see the benefits over here. Let's just go back. Now generating the videos in Pika Art is very simple. All you have to do is provide the prompt. You can see describe your story written over here. All you have to do is click on this box. Now what you have to do is provide the prompt for Pika Art. In order to generate the video of your choice, what you have to do is describe your story. Simply describe your story. You can also upload the image if you want. Simply click on the option Image. Now from here, you'll be able to upload the image. Simply click on the image that you want to upload. After that, click on the Open option that you can see right over here. You can also choose the Pika effect if you want. Simply click on the option Pika effect. Now you'll be able to see several effects over here. Simply click on the effect of your choice. You can also choose the ingredient if you want. Simply click on the option Ingredients that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to upload the ingredients. Simply click on the plus icon. After that, you can upload multiple scene ingredients including characters, objects and locations. Now after you describe your story, all you have to do is press enter. Now your video will be generated. After it is generated, you'll be able to see it over here. Hover over it. Now you'll be able to see the video. You can also download the video if you want. Simply click on the download icon that you can see right over here. Now it will be downloaded. If you want to see this video in full screen, simply click on this icon that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to see the video. You can also reprompt if you want. Simply click on the option reprompt that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to reprompt. Also, you'll be able to retry. Simply click on the option retry that you can see right over here. You can do it if you're not satisfied with the video. Like this, you'll be able to generate high quality videos in Pika Art. If you click on your username that you can see right over here, you'll be able to find the options like what's new, profile, pricing, FAQ, help, about and careers. You can also log out of your account if you want. Use the Pika Art, explore the features and you'll be able to generate the high quality videos for you. So that is how you use Pika Art. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.